Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can wipe cache partition on this tablet. Now for this, you will need a cable that is plugged into your computer. I have one prepared just for this. And let's start off by turning off our device. Come on. Come on, I'm not asking too much. There we go. So let's select power off. Now once the tablet turns off, you will want to hold power key and volume up at the same time once you plug it in. So you first want to plug it in, and once you do so, immediately start holding the keys. So plugged in, hold. You'll see that in a second it will show up with Samsung and then Samsung Galaxy. There we go. Once it shows up with the Galaxy writing as well, you can let go of the keys and wait for the recovery mode to show up. And from here, also you can unplug it because the cable isn't needed anymore. For some reason, we only need it to actually enter recovery mode. Now once in this mode, you will need to use volume keys to navigate, as you can see, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And with that in mind, you want to select Wipe Cache Partition. There we go, confirm it, select yes. Wiping cache, and then the last thing you should see is cache wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power key once more, and this will take us back to Android now. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.